I think, generally speaking, you don't want to bet on turnarounds. I think, most turnarounds don't work. Turnarounds don't turnarounds, if you will. So I think generally those are not good bets. I think, like for example, when I invested in the auto industry in Fiat Chrysler, the industry was distressed, but there had been structural changes to the industry which made the recovery uh, almost for sure. So, so I think you don't want to be investing where you are making heroic assumptions about magic that management's going to do. I think that's not a good idea. But I think you can make investments where basically um, you're basically you can see the tread marks to where this is going and where it's going to end up. Uh, so I think that industries do get distressed, even countries that get distressed, like Turkey. But like for example, if I looked at this cement business, I can see how they've got flexibility where I mean, actually, what's happening in Turkey, the exporters are doing great, and the other thing I noticed is that the local prices have not adjusted as much. I mean, what has adjusted immediately has been the imports. Those have adjusted, but things that are produced locally, they haven't fully adjusted yet. So the exports are going to have an, a stronger advantage with a weaker currency. And so you want to see obvious things when you're going into these areas. You don't want to make heroic assumptions about what management is going to do or what's going to change. It should already be in place, but it's just that the market is missing it.